Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino, Virgin Galactic Holdings, SPCE. Just a reminder in case there are other people, I'm going to be doing Nikola Motors or Nikola Energy or whatever, that one that's gone parabolic is going to put out that video again tonight. And in case some people are trading that, when I talk about something going parabolic, this is what parabolic looks. And we're still nowhere back there. What goes parabolic up comes parabolic down. So, and a lot of people got hurt. When I talked about it when this thing was going parabolic before it started collapsing and then on the way down. So if you're watching this and you're trading NKLA, is that what it is? Yeah, NKLA, then I will put out a video on that. When I talk about something going parabolic, that's what I'm talking about. Just going to look at the daily chart of Virgin Galactic today. So nice little up move. Here's the volume, and again, we've converted to TradingView for the short term. If you want to sign up for a free account or a paid account, I'd appreciate if you use the link in the description. And this will enable more people to follow along with us and make the exact same levels as we have on the chart. So it's starting to fill this gap. Let me zoom in. Just want to say this is on a decent volume day, this up move. Now I'm going to go back and hide that. So you can see here we're above this key level. The next area we're watching is this key close coming in at 1752. So in a continued rally, 1749 to 1752 is the very strong resistance area. Above there, we'll be watching about 1806 and then a return to the 1869 levels. Key support is still, we're looking down here right around about 1580 at this point. And if we drop below that, we're looking at 1548 to 1550. Very quick video, still is within this range, so it's still trading in this massive range. These are just the short-term levels. Major support now coming in about 1437. Those are all your key levels for SPCE, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.